How to log in to Netflix on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways that you can log in to your Netflix using your PC. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and also subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Now either you can use the website to log into your Netflix, or to make it easier, you can use the desktop version of Netflix. If you don't yet have the desktop app, you can click on the search bar on the bottom, search for Microsoft Store, search for Netflix on the search bar on the top, click on the Netflix option and you can download it from here. Once you download the app, you can just search for Netflix, click on the Netflix app and this app will start up. Now all you need to do is click on the sign in option that you see on the top right and then type in your email address. In the second box, type in the password, and if you want to reveal your password, you can click on this eye icon. Now all you need to do is click on sign in and you'll be successfully logged in to your Netflix account. So that was the easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.